My name's Aaron Croman, and I'm going to show you how to glitter gems in Photoshop. Okay, so here we have some fine jewelry, some gems, and I'm going to go and make a new layer so we don't mess up this one. I'm going to switch the color to white for the foreground color, and I'm currently using a brush at 100% opacity. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go down until I see these preset brushes, which is the glitter brushes. And let's check how big. Yeah, that looks fine. So go with the big one since this is a big image. And I can even make the brushes a little bit bigger. Right click to open this up, and so I can make them even bigger or bigger. And that's what it kind of creates, these big flashes of shine. But let's start out small. See where we go. So we can add a little bit. Just add them in little bright spots. It's very small. Might want a little bit bigger, but just a little bit to make it glittery rather than just too much. We'll add in a little bit bigger later. So just go in and find the bright spots. And just add a little bit of glitter. Here's one bright spot that's practically made itself. Just find the small ones. Okay, that's for the most part where all the small ones are. Put a little something there. A little one there. Demonstrating this to you, I probably put a little bit more glitter than I should have. So it's up to you to, when you do your own projects, maybe to hold back. Sometimes less is more. And I'm going to make the brush a little bit bigger, and then we're going to go for the bigger ones. So there we go. Make it nice and bright and pretty. Big spot there and there. And big one right there. Big one there. And then now for the ruby, we're going to have to change the color up, make it a little bit pinker. So kind of a light pink. And then add a little bit there. Some of these spots. I don't like that one, so I'll redo it a little. I'm using Control-Z to back out, to undo. And that's a way to add glitter to the gems. My name is Aaron Croman. Good luck with your art.